Hi guys, Dorothy here with the Stash Depot, and I'm here today to share with you my September design team project for Junk with Steph. I will leave a link in the description to Junk with Steph's Etsy shop, as well as the kit that I used. I also used part of a kit from Artymaze, and I will include that link to that. I will also include a link to Junk with Steph, Steph's Facebook group, Just Junking, that she runs. You'll actually enjoy the group. They're a great group of people over there. So the cover is 8 1/4 by 5 3/4. It is 5 signatures. There's metal corners. It's a 3-inch spine with a tassel that swivels. The charm says, "Blessed are the curious, for they shall have adventure." Metal butterfly. The back. There is a 1/4-inch gap between the cover and the pages, although it is even on the tops and the bottom because I want it to be more sort of a better rendition of a book, so I wanted it to have that book feel. I was trying to think if there was anything else. Lots of fabric, lots of lace, and fabric closure. It is 5 signatures. So let's get started. The pen on the cover also includes a tag by Junk with Steph, and I'll try to tell you which ones are Junk with Steph and which ones are Artymaze, because there is a combination of them inside. Everything on the front cover is Junk with Steph except the admit one. It says, "There is a place like no place on earth, a land full of wonder, mystery, and danger. Some say to survive it, you need to be as mad as a hatter." Oops. So the Junk with Steph tag, another Junk with Steph tag, label, magnetic pocket, journaling card, this Junk with Steph, and a small journal. So just trying to make sure. Little paper clip. There are fabric tabs on each page. Fabric paper clip. I did print some out on vellum. It printed out great. Lots of stenciling. Love the pages. Vellum. Tag from Junk with Steph. Vellum envelope with a small insert. Junk with Steph tag, another Junk with Steph tag, old doily, stenciling, vellum butterfly. Love the pages, Steph. You did a great job with the coloring, and this just it was so versatile. Index card, an insert, which was just one of the actual journal pages printed small. Vellum bookmark. Again, vellum. Tags from Steph. Postcard is Artymaze. Large tag is again from Steph. Absolutely loved the coloring. The blue, the purple. That was Artymaze pocket. One of the base pages from Steph. Every base page has sewing around it. Little tag, Junk with Steph, vellum, additional vellum. Large index card, folded in half. Love the coloring, the chicken wire, the lace. It's just gorgeous. Love it. The center of each signature has a clock hand and a token. That was an Artymaze ticket, Artymaze tab, a small charm. Love the vellum. And this is Artymaze cards. The stamping was "The Sky's the Limit," and it was from Card Making and Papercraft magazine from the UK. Lots of fabric, fussy cut from one of the main pages. When I used to read fairy tales, I fancied that kind of thing never happened, and now here I am in the middle of one. Love that saying. Again, just a lot of little stenciling and washi. It is always tea time. Vellum band. Alice's Adventure in Wonderland through the Looking Glass. It was an Artymaze postcard. Vellum envelope from Junk with Stuff. And again, a little score sheet. And I printed the vellum on heavy vellum and regular vellum, and it printed out great on both. The paper clip. The man who has no imagination has no wings. Loved the coloring stuff. Artymaze postcard. Vellum from Junk with Stuff. I don't know if you can just see, it's gorgeous. This was just part of a collection I had. The vellum strip, that's actually a hidden journal. Large tag with a hidden spot behind the vellum. Love that picture. It's gorgeous. Stenciling and vellum. All the stenciling is with Tim Holtz or Pen and Gear. First signature, there are 5. Fabric tag. Love this picture. Stenciling. Decorated index card. This was Artymaze. Again, these were Artymaze. And there is a lot of Artymaze in here, as well as Junk with Stuff. Junk with Stuff did phenomenal on the page bases. Again, this is Artymaze. There's just another small journal. Little Rolodex card. Refurbished. Admit 1 was Artymaze. This is Junk with Stuff. This was actually a whole page, just divided in half and punched with an Artymaze postcard. And this one just never wants to go in here. I have no idea why. I'll open it later. Well, now I can't get it out. That's the way that works, isn't it? Artymaze. Love it. Some of the old pages. Artymaze. Flip out. Junk with Stuff. I love this page. Love the colors. Artymaze. This is We're All Mad Here. You're entirely bonkers, but I'll tell you a secret. All the best people are. Junk with Stuff. Curious and Curiouser. Artymaze. That was Artymaze. Excess tea-dyed paper. There's several envelopes with tea-dyed paper throughout, which is just the extra tea-dyed paper, so if you want to make something out of it, you actually have it here. Although, there's another charm in token. Another little charm hanging down. Although, my husband, as I was making it, looked at it and he's like, oh, you're not going to sell that one, are you? I absolutely love it. So, who knows. There's Artymaze and Junk with Stuff. Doily pocket. Fussy cut from a base page, but I love how the doily hangs. This was one of my favorite things. Paint the Roses Red. Junk with Stuff card. Artymaze card. Another Junk with Stuff. Again, the kit is so versatile. This is actually the cover picture that was on the front that was really big. They all print. It prints small and large. It just did a really great job as far as, and some kits don't. That's a stenciling. This is an Artymaze pocket and the tea time tag. And I just made a tea pocket full of blue and purple large glitter, and the glitter I got from Walmart, I think. I don't think it was like $2 for a big huge container. Tea time. This was Artymaze, although the tab that flips it out is a vellum from Junk with Stuff. Junk with Stuff journaling card. It's Artymaze. This was Artymaze too. Like I said, there's a lot of Artymaze, but all of the base pages are Junk with Stuff. Down the rabbit hole. Love the coloring here. Fabric flip. Wonderland. Little eat cake tab. Did you actually put some washi or ribbon or whatever around it, and they load it up, so I have it with me. Because with my husband liking it, I'm not sure I'm going to sell this one. I may keep it. Another fabric flip. Again, love it, love it, love it. This is actually a parchment paper bag. It was actually overspray from where I was glimmer misting. I own Glimmer Mist and was using it in an overspray score sheet tucked in there. Another little journaling spot. Artymaze pocket, large Artymaze tag. The Bumbling Boys. I love this picture stuff. This is Artymaze. This is Artymaze card. Artymaze envelope and a postcard. You can see Artymaze did an awesome job. And then black key and a token. Another little flower charm with an Artymaze tab. Artymaze pocket. Another little glittery tea bag. I don't know if you can actually see the glitter in there or not, but I really liked it. Fabric clip. Fill the pages. Jewelry pocket. Another little pocket. A little insert. Love the card. Dreams are necessary to life. And washi. We're all mad here. That's for sure. Another little paper clip. Trifold. Some of these pages, these are journal pages, just printed small. Sorry, I was double checking to make sure it was in here. Okay, another page. Artymaze card. So Artymaze. Love the little teacups. Love the old book pages. More charms. And there's a little butterfly. I don't know if you can see the butterfly. Love this page. Love the dyeing on that. An Artymaze file folder with a couple little inserts in there. The junk with stuff. Again, junk with stuff done printed out pretty. And pocket, here's again more excess paper. For the page, large tag of Artymaze. Glamour, and again it's filled with coffee stained paper in the blue. Stenciling. Final signature, love the page. Little tea bag. Create an index card. And more, lots of paper clips. Artymaze pocket. Another little score sheet. And tag. Large paper clip. And the Artymaze tag. Really a stamp. Love this. This folds down so you can actually journal in there. Ticket, envelope, a large index card, junk with stuff tag. Again, they're all backed with coffee dyed paper. I love this page. I don't know if you can actually see. Let me see if you can. Absolutely gorgeous. Another envelope with extra paper. Charms, love to this. Another little one of the glitter tea bags. Love to this picture. Little tab. the charm. Decorated index card. This is one of Steph's little tabs. Imagine, this is actually from Paper Phenomenon kit. This is a Artymaze, and this is Junk with Stuff journaling card. And that's another kit from Artymaze, or tag from Artymaze. There's a tag from Artymaze. The Rolodex card that I made into a tag, a little flip from Artymaze. It flips over, and little Junk with Steph tab. You can also put this over a page if you want. And this was a fussy cut of a page, one of the journaling pages, one of the main pages. It worked out great. The Bumblebee Boys, that was Artymaze tag. I love the teacups, but I collect teapots, so it's a big deal with me. And one of the Junk with Stuff jumbo tags. Loved it. Love how Stuff had the handcrafted by you, where you can sign your name and the date. Fabric flip. Another Junk with Stuff tag, just tucked in there behind that. Had to create a side pocket to the Artymaze playing cards. Gorgeous. And the back, this opens up for a large journaling tag. It opens, and you can, there. So that's it. 5 signatures, 120 total pages. Absolutely loved Steph's kit and Artymaze's as well. And like I said, I'll link it in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.